Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the regular Sudokus in today's newspaper on Wednesday, July the 29th, 2020. Almost end of the month. Second one, a medium Sudoku, and this one will be a number 1244. Yes, and before I start, I always count the printed numbers so I can compare with the difficulty level with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. The 1 star has 27 printed numbers. Let me count. We have here 4 plus 5 is 9, and 1 and 10 is 10. 13, 16, 19, plus 2 is 21, plus 2 is 23, plus 4 is 27. If I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, this is a 1 star. But you cannot tell if it's a 1 star because a 1 star Sudoku could be a very hard one. It depends if you have a lot of pairs in it, so you cannot tell. Suppose it's a 4 star Sudoku, it could be a very easy one. Alright, less talking. Let's get started. We have an 8 in the last column and 8 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row. 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about the number? In this row, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those numbers are the 3 and the 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in this big square, so the 3 and the 9 cannot be in these 2 boxes. So the 3 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. The other 2 numbers in this row are the numbers 5 and 6. Let me mark them for you. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the number in this row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 1. We have a 2 and a 1 in this big square, so no 2 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 2 here already, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. How about these 3 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. That means the other 3 numbers should be the 9, the 3, and the 8. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. The 8 and the 3 are missing. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now I have an 8 here, so 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column, the only two places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these two boxes. There 1, no 1 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So in the column between, the only two places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about five in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the, in this big square, 1 and the 6. Let me mark them for you. Here. How about the 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only two places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Yeah. Then. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5. No 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Now I have a 5 here, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be the 6. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And now, four missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in this big square is a 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. There are 9, no 9 in that box. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 3 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left now in this big square. The 6 and the 4. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be here. 1 box left in the middle column should be the number 2 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing in this big square, and 7 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6, I believe. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are missing in this big square. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4. 2 boxes left, the 7 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet, but the third row, 7 and the 6 also. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 1 box left in this column, the third column, for the number 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those numbers are the 4 and the 3. So no 4 and the 3 in this row, in those 2 boxes. So the 4 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you, 4 and the 3. That means the other 2 boxes are left for the 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. These 2 boxes in this row, 1 and the 9, these are the 2 and the 6. We have a 6 already, so no 6 there. 6 will be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9. No 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 6 are left in this row. We have already a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. This should be the 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 1. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like the Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we are going to the third regular Sudoku in a minute. A killer Sudoku, so see you later. Bye bye for now.